Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Muhammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover with the rainbow girl and flower, also sun. For that we need round dia, cooling tool and glue. First of all, and some multicolor strip. First of all friends, we will start from the main part of the card, that is the girl body. For that we need 297 mm strip of red color, 2 strips. We have to make it the tight roll with the cooling tool and put in the 30 mm round dia friends, and put the glue at the end bottom and press it and make the shape of the dress of the girl, the shape of triangle shape. So friends, we make the girl dress with 2 red color strips. Now we have to make the arms and legs of the girl. For that we need 75 mm strip. We have to press from the middle and little bit make the shape of curve for the arm, and we open it little bit. So we also need 75 mm strip of yellow color to make the hands of girl, and we have to use the tight roll and make the cooling tool, make the tight roll with the cooling tool, put the glue at the end and put at the end of the arm the white strip to show the symbol of hand. So I will use the tweezer because it's very sticky with my hand, and I already made one more before, and we have to put it on the other side of the hand. Now we have to make the face, a head of the girl. For that we need 297 mm strip of white color. We have to make a tight roll and put in the 12 mm the 7 mm round dia. So we have to put the glue at the end and stick it with the strip. So one thing friends, I forgot to tell you, the same strip 75 mm, we have to bend it from the middle and make the legs of the girl, and now I have to make the one petal that we can use. After that we can use for the hair. First we will use the 75 mm strip of yellow color. We have to make it little bit bend like for the face, and other side we have both side we have to little bit do the cooling tool, make the little bit roll to make the shape of hair. We have to do it and put on the head, and also we do the small one. For that one we need 60 mm around 60 mm strip color yellow. So we have to do it same with this one. Both side we have to little bit use the cooling tool and make it the hairstyle. And the third one, for the third step we need, it's around 50 mm strip of yellow color strip. So if we will do it same with this one for the third part of the hair. So see, now I will make the joint with the glue and then put on the head, and I will come back. So friends, we completed the head of the girl. Now you can see, now we need 75 mm strip of yellow color. We can use it on foot, shoes, flower and sun as I show you. So we have to make a tight roll and put in the 7 mm round dia, put the glue at the end and press from the one side corner and make the shoes. And we can use this one for flower, shoes, and also sun. I will show you for the some like for flower and shoes, and you can see the sun for sun in the next part. So now we have to make the middle part of the flower. We have to put the glue, same strip we need 75 mm, and put the glue at the end, make it tight roll. And for the flower we need 5 strips. Now we need to make the rainbow. For that I am using the green color strip of 150 mm. So make the tight roll, and you can use the other colors also. So we did it. Now we have to make the main part of the sun, that middle tight roll. For that we need 2 strips of yellow color, 297 mm. We have to make it the tight roll with the quilling tool and press put the glue at the end. Press it. Now friends, we complete the stuff, like we have all the stuff. Now I'm showing you how to make the flower. I will put 5 petals that I already made some, because I just show you one as a sample. So as you can see, the 5 petals we can make the flower, and 2 strips we need for the feet. And for the sun, I will tell you about the next step. So we done it friends, we got the stuff. And for the flower stick or branch we need 75 mm strip of brown color. So we already made all the stuff. So finally friends, we have our stuff: sun material, flower, and the girl, and rainbow colors in a tight roll. So let's get started friends, to put the stuff on the greeting card cover. And I also have the one round. So friends, let's get started. So finally friends, we complete our greeting card cover with the girl, flower, and rainbow sun. I hope you like our video. If you like our video friends, please comment below the video, share the video, and subscribe our channel. And until next video friends, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel.